Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can delete Pinterest account. First of all, obviously launch the app, then go into your profile page. Over here tap at the three horizontal dots to your top right, choose settings. At the settings, among all the options that are there, enter the account management. And in here, as you can see at the bottom of this little window, you'll find the two options. One is being the account deactivation that will allow you to temporarily disable your Pinterest account and then recover it or reinstall it on demand. Or you can just entirely erase all your account data and the account itself by going for the delete your data and account option. Then tap at the continue, specify the reason that you want to delete your account for. I'll just go with the other, send email, then open your email address where you'll find the next steps you have to take in order to finalize the account deletion. Here's my Gmail address. I'm not sure whether my account is signed in, but I certainly hope so. I guess this one. Okay, here it is. So just confirm. The final step is to confirm by tapping at the button you have at the email that the Pinterest have sent to you. And as you can see, our Pinterest account was successfully deleted. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.